The National Tile Contractors Association, or NTCA, is a nonprofit trade association dedicated to the professional installation of ceramic tile and natural stone. Whether a member of the association or not, one of the main focuses is training the industry on proper standards and methods to install tile. This is achieved through four main areas of educational opportunities: NTCA workshops, NTCA regional programs, NTCA University, and NTCA educational webinars. The NTCA has several trainers that travel around the country visiting tile distributor locations to conduct NTCA workshops. These programs are typically 3 hours from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and are open to anyone to attend. They include education, food, networking, and sometimes door prizes. The education portion is an hour of PowerPoint education and another hour of demonstrations or hands-on learning for the participants. Each distributor location is able to select the topic that they would like presented based on the needs of their customers. This year's presentations include the ins and outs of layout, Tile Matters, Best Practices for Pros, and Failures, Could It Be Me? Visit the NTCA website for more information on when we will be in your area. NTCA regional programs are a full day of training. Each starts with classroom time to discuss the industry standards and methods that will be used throughout the day. Hands-on training follows for the remainder of the day, which culminates with review and Q&A. NTCA trainers lead the instruction and may be assisted throughout the day by manufacturers' reps with specific knowledge of the materials being used. There are 3 different regional programs currently being offered: Substrate Prep for large format tiles, Substrate Prep for gauged porcelain tiles and panels, and Installation of gauged porcelain tiles and panels. Since these classes are mainly hands-on and take up a lot of space, they are limited to 20 attendees per program, so you must be registered to attend. There is a $50 fee to hold the registration. If you do not attend, NTCA will keep the fee. If you attend, NTCA will refund the $50 fee to your credit card used to hold the registration. Visit the NTCA website to find out which courses are available in your area and to register. NTCA University is an online learning platform. These courses can be accessed from a computer, tablet, or smartphone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are 2 distinct types of courses currently on the site. There are several business courses, including Accounting Basics, Managing a Team, and Introduction to Marketing, which can all be beneficial to the small business owner. The other courses are focused on introducing someone to the tile trade. These courses can be used as part of a tile contractor's apprenticeship program to help fulfill some of the classroom course time for recognized apprenticeship programs, or they can be used to teach someone the proper industry techniques and methods which can be put into practice through on-the-job learning with their employer. Since this is a benefit for NTCA members, subscription pricing is based whether or not on the company being a member. For additional information or to purchase your subscription, visit the NTCA website. NTCA educational webinars occur approximately 2 times monthly. These programs are presented by the tile industry and manufacturers experts, and they cover a wide array of topics. Webinars are available to view live or as a recording on the NTCA's YouTube channel following the program. Webinar attendance or viewing is appropriate for any and all tile industry professionals. Visit the NTCA website to register for the upcoming webinars. Visit the educational webinar playlist on the NTCA YouTube channel for previously recorded programs.